The TRED Mounting Baseplate makes installation of recovery boards easier and more secure due to the pin location slots, recesses and covers within the baseplate design. The recessed slots in the front face of the baseplate have been set for correct alignment of the TRED mounting pins to align with the recovery board's mounting pattern perfectly. Securing hardware from the TRED mounting pins have been designed to recess into the back of the plate to allow the plate to mount flush onto a surface. The baseplate includes multiple design allowances for permanently mounting the baseplate with things like self-tapping screws, bolts, straps, or even less permanent solution like using heavy-duty cable ties. Using a more secure system like bolts to fix the plate down onto a surface, then covering the hardware with the supplied baseplate covers completes the install and aids in a tamper-proof system, making it harder to remove the pins from the baseplate and the whole baseplate off the vehicle when the boards are mounted. Couple this with the locking features within the pin design, you have a secure method of mounting your investment to your vehicle.